Alright, here's an exact duplicate of the screen that was dropped off. It needed a spring over here. Well, that spring can't be found in that size. So, this is an exact duplicate of it. It fits right into the sliding screens. I just delivered some to Rye and it worked exactly the same. Here's the tabs for lifting the screen up and down. And when installing this, you put the spring side in first. Put the spring side in first. And you squeeze this into the frame. Squeeze it into the frame. And as you're squeezing that side, and the spring is completely compressed, when you squeeze this, it compresses the spring. So you squeeze on the right side, and you work the left side into the track. You do not push from here, trying to squish the screen in, or this bends. You compress from the spring side by grabbing and pushing right there. The only pushing is done is where the spring is, and then you work this into the place to make it go into its track.